habitat, niche, and biome. Three words that are often used when scientists study ecology. First things first, let's talk about habitats. The nice thing about the word habitat is it means home, and habitat and home both start with the letter H. That habitat could be a home like we'd find in a stream, along the stream bed, or in somebody's garden. A habitat could also be a fishbowl or a forest. These are all a home to plants and animals. A habitat can be above ground, like this prairie, or it could be in an underground cave. Habitats can also be in the water, or they can be someplace very small, like these forgotten, moldy tomatoes. All that really matters is that the habitat is a home to something that's alive. Now let's talk about biomes. A biome is a very large area on Earth. It has specific animals, plants, and a very specific climate. Each color on this map is a different biome. If you see the color on more than one part of the map, the biome is on more than one part of the map. Each biome has certain weather patterns. This includes how much sunshine the area gets, what type of precipitation falls, and how much precipitation the area gets. It also includes the typical temperatures that happen throughout the year. Because the climate is the same throughout the biome, each biome has specific plants, animals, and other organisms that live there. Some familiar biomes that you may know are the rainforest and the desert. Now it's time for the next word, niche. A niche is similar to a role or job that an organism plays in an ecosystem. The niche is what that organism does for the other plants, animals, organisms, or the other elements in the ecosystem. If we took one specific plant or animal out of an ecosystem, it would become broken because it would have no one to do the jobs that it did. Each living thing in an ecosystem is sort of like a puzzle piece. Without that puzzle piece, the puzzle can't be completed. A good example is bamboo and pandas. The bamboo's niche is to feed the panda, and the panda's niche is to eat the bamboo. If we grow bamboo in our backyards, it quickly takes over because we have no animal to eat the bamboo. A niche is not just related to food. It's every interaction that every living thing has with everything living, biotic, and abiotic, non-living. A gray squirrel living in my backyard has a specific niche. It eats maple seeds and crab apples, has baby squirrels, makes leaf nests, and leaves droppings. The gray squirrel wouldn't be happy if its niche were taken over by a red squirrel taking its home, or a starling eating the crab apples. So let's review. Habitat means home. A biome is a big area with similar organisms and similar climate. And a niche? That's the role an organism plays and how it interacts with everything in that particular ecosystem.